There's so many avenues through business and leadership and innovation and entrepreneurship, and coming here, it's definitely, I've become more confident in my career choice.
We do a lot of activities. So much has happened since the start, even though we've been here for just a week.
It's so strange that you can bond with people so easily only after 1 week.
This is what I'm here for. This is the new experience, this is the people. I feel very, very lucky to be able to do this. Yeah.